all in the name of Christmas. Today we are going to be doing a Dollar Tree Christmas haul as well as do a little bit of decorating. Is that backwards? It is. For $1, like you cannot beat that. Really cute set. I love that. Hey, we are at 2.
Hoes.
What is up, guys? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Today we are going to be doing a Dollar Tree Christmas haul. If you guys watched my last vlog, which you should have, go watch it. It was my Vlogmas Day 1. I went and did a shop with me at Dollar Tree. So in today's vlog, I'm going to show you guys what I got from the Dollar Tree as well as do a little bit of decorating. So make sure you guys go hit that subscribe button. Welcome to Vlogmas 2024 and let's get into it, guys. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so first up, I want to do this DIY that I've been seeing when you put the wreath hooks on like your kitchen cabinets with the little wreath. I thought that was so cute. So I got these. They were $1.25 each, and I wanted red. They had them in gold and green as well. But I got the red, super, super, super cute. And then these are the wreaths that I got. These were $1.25 each as well. And I love these because they have the little bell as well as the little red bow. And I thought that that would be so freaking cute on my cabinet. So I'm just going to hang them down the cabinet and do it just like that. I think that is going to be so cute. Is that backwards? It is. There we go. Like something like that. I'm going to tape it up a little bit so you can see the whole thing. But yeah. So that's going to be what it looks like hanging down my kitchen cabinets. So I love that. I got 2 of those as well. I am loving all of the Christmas feels. Then I got this, y'all. This might be my favorite thing that I got. So it's this little reindeer, but it's also like an advent calendar. So it has this little Velcro thing here. So every day, like in yesterday's vlog, I did 1. You go through and just mark down the days till Christmas. So today we are at 2. And I just think that is so freaking cute. For $1, like you cannot beat that. Shout out to Dollar Tree. I love that. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this because I want it somewhere where I remember to change it every day. So I was thinking about doing it right beside my front door, like where my keys are. So we'll see. Shout out to Dollar Tree for that. That was super cute. Then I found this stocking with my initial on it. I feel like it's so hard for me to find S's, but I found one right at the Dollar Tree. I was trying to find a G for my son, but they didn't have them, but he gonna get the same stocking he had last year, honey, because he's grown, okay? But yeah, so I found that. Then I love these little signs and stuff that you can just put up around the house. As you guys can tell, I've been doing a lot of pink this year. So I saw this. I actually got one of these last year as well. So I'm going to be hanging this up. And the 2 rooms I really want to make sure I decorate this year are like my kitchen and my bathroom. I feel like every year they kind of get left out. And this year I am intentionally focusing on decorating them, okay? So I think I'm going to put this in my kitchen because I want to do like a little cocoa bar on my new coffee stand. So I will show you guys that. So shout out to Dollar Tree. Then I got another one of these picks. At the top of my tree, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but at the top of the tree, I have these sticking out. And I felt like I needed 1 more just to fill in right there in the front. And I'm going to put that up there. I love that. I wanted to get a couple more, but they didn't have a lot. So I'm going to go to another Dollar Tree and see if they have more. But they have these really pretty sparkles on them. I hope you guys can see that. But I love them. And then you can like stretch them out to make them more wide if you need to. But I love those. I'm actually going to put that in tonight. Then I got this. So this was like the dishes and the bakeware and stuff that I got. So I got these. I thought they were so cute. I do a lot of baking during the holidays. I actually wish I would have had these for Thanksgiving dinner, but I love those. I actually want to go back and get another one. There was one that was like this as well, and it had a whisk and one of these, and it had gingerbread on it, but it was missing one of the spatulas. So I was like, I don't care if it is $1, I want everything, okay? But that was super cute. Shout out to Dollar Tree, y'all. That is really dope. So if you got like a good cook in your family or a baker or anything like that is the perfect stocking stuff for a really cute gift, $1. Like you can't beat it. And then I'm really excited about these. So I got this set because I want to do a lot of like Christmas content, like with my coffee and my hot chocolate and my cookies and my little desserts and stuff like that. So I really wanted to get this set. I still can't believe this is $1. Like these were only $1. But it's this little, so it's this little dish. So that's what the dish looks like. Really classic and traditional. Although I like a lot of bling blow, I really do love like just classic traditional stuff. So I'm gonna have that with my little dessert. And then y'all look, I found the mug and I was so happy. I was so happy to find the mug because it was literally the last one left. I looked up and it just so happened to be there. Y'all can check that out in the last vlog as well. And that is the mug. I just thought that that was so freaking pretty. So as you can see, just a really cute set. Like I love that, y'all. Like how cute is that? How cute is that? Shout out to the Dollar Tree. Okay? Okay. So that's pretty much, oh no, I still got some more stuff. I got the wrapping paper. So I also got this wrapping paper. So I also got wrapping paper. As you can see, I got the pink going on. So I needed to find some pink wrapping paper and baby, they had it. So I got 2 rolls of this and 2 rolls of this. And I actually got a couple gifts in the house now that I need to get wrapped and put under the tree, as well as I think I might do a couple of like the mock presents where it's just the empty box, just to make it a little bit more full until, you know, the gifts start coming in for Christmas. So they also had a really big array of wrapping paper too. They had a lot of wrapping paper. You can check that out in the last haul as well. So now we are gonna get into a little bit of the decorating. I wanna put up this stuff that I got and we're gonna jump into it. Stay tuned, y'all. I can't do them on these because they're too small. So I have to do them here. So I gotta climb up here, y'all. All in the name of Christmas. Okay, so. I don't think this is gonna work, y'all. It's too wide. This sits up too high for my cabinet. So I think that every time I would close it, or do I even care? Let me see. because I really don't care. Let me see what that looks like, y'all. Ugh. That's not too bad. Okay. I think that still looks really nice. And that look good. It doesn't look bad. It don't look bad. I wish they were up a little higher, but we're gonna make it do what it do. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Be decorating, finishing up my tree. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a haul or another decorate with me, but we will see. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and happy holidays, guys. Happy Vlogmas!